guys, this is MC Aptoots. Today I'm going to show you how to add a like and subscribe animation button to our project in YouCut easily. Now to start, let's click the plus icon and click new project button. And here you can see our all videos that we have in our phone. So I will try to import a sample video here. Let's import this one. Click the orange button. Then here you can see the video is imported to our project. So this is the video I import. This is a short clip video that you can use as a video intro. What we're going to do is to add the like and subscribe animation button in this project. To do that is just to click the sticker here, sticker icon, then go to GIF, then click search. You can search like and subscribe, then click the search. Be sure that the category here in the upper area is set as a sticker. Then below you can see different like subscribe animation. This for example, this one I'm going to add this animation. Just click this and it will automatically set here in your project. Then when you click the check button, it will be imported in our project here. This is the like subscribe animation button that we are imported. Now to test it, just click the play. You see that the like and subscribe button easily inserted to our project. Now to configure the settings of this animation, you just need to click this. When there are two arrows both sides, it means that it's selected. Then you see in this upper side are the settings of the sticker that we imported. Now we have here animation, so you can animate the like and subscribe button. For example, this one, this is an animation of the initial execution of the animated like and subscribe button. Then if you click the out, you can choose the animation and you can set the time of the animation going to execute. Okay, click the check button. Activities. Okay, to you. Then to play it all in the video, if you want to show it on in the video, the project, you just click the sticker and click the arrow on the right side, then click video end, and it will play all around your video, the project. Now that's how easy you can put animated like and subscribe button. Okay, then it's also check other settings. You can adjust the opacity if you want to make it a little bit transparent, and you can adjust, you can split this on if you want to move this to other scene of the video, or if you want to remove the excess by splitting it and clicking the delete. Then another setting is to delete it, and you can also copy it by clicking the animation sticker, then copy, and here at the top is the copied sticker. You can move it on all of the scene on your video by dragging it, hold and drag, and that's it. So there's a lot of using this. You can add other stickers, like let's go to search here if you want. Let's say I want search fun, and it will load all animated video that is fun, or if there's an event, so Happy New Year, it will show all animation on that event. Christmas. Okay, I'm going to see a lot of stickers. About this one, just want to put it here and click OK. It will be added in the video. You can move it wherever you want. You can play it all around the video like this. When you play this one, it will show from the start till the end. And then you can add more sticker. You can also met other whole picture animation or in JF. So when you're a video game vlog, you can search and share if you want. Setting this one, setting this one here, and then Patrick. And then the other side, click it. We just start here. You can see Patrick. Failing on around the video. Okay, so that's how you put stickers or animation to your video. So if you have more questions, just comment down below. If you like this tutorial, just click like and subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates coming. Thank you.